Hi friends, welcome back to Keto Diet Daily. Today's video is extra special. It's a meat-free keto compilation, packed with flavor, nutrients, and all the keto love. We've gathered the top 5 most popular vegetarian keto recipes from our channel, and they're all super easy, healthy, and totally satisfying. Whether you're a vegetarian, cutting down on meat, or just looking for new low-carb options, these recipes are perfect for busy weeknights or quick lunches. From cheesy bakes to crispy fritters and creamy soups, there's something here for everyone. Try these out and let me know in the comments, which one are you excited to make first? Let's get cooking, because meatless can still be mouth-watering. Recipe number 1, eggplant zucchini bake. A cozy, cheesy dish that melts in your mouth without the carbs. Ingredients: 1 medium eggplant, sliced. 1 medium zucchini, sliced. 1/2 cup ricotta cheese. 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. 1 TBSP olive oil. 1/2 TSP garlic powder. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Drizzle olive oil over eggplant and zucchini slices. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Layer slices in a baking dish, alternating eggplant and zucchini. Spread ricotta over the top, then sprinkle with mozzarella and Parmesan. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden and bubbly. Variation: add chopped basil or spinach for extra greens. Recipe number 2, cauliflower fritters. Golden, crispy, and secretly healthy, these fritters are keto gold. Ingredients: 1 small head cauliflower, riced. 2 eggs. 1/4 cup almond flour. 1/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1 TBSP chopped parsley. 1/2 TSP paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 TBSP coconut oil. Instructions: steam riced cauliflower for 3 to 4 minutes. Then squeeze out excess moisture. Mix cauliflower with eggs, almond flour, cheese, parsley, paprika, salt, and pepper. Form into small patties. Heat coconut oil in a skillet over medium heat. Fry patties 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown. Serve with sour cream or a keto-friendly dipping sauce. Recipe number 3, avocado cucumber salad. Refreshing, crunchy, and creamy, perfect for warm days or light lunches. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, diced. 1/2 cucumber, thinly sliced. 1 TBSP lemon juice. 1 TBSP olive oil. 1 TBSP chopped fresh dill. Salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions: in a bowl, combine avocado, cucumber, and dill. Drizzle with lemon juice and olive oil. Gently toss to coat. Season with salt and pepper. Chill for 5 to 10 minutes before serving for extra freshness. Optional: add feta cheese or hemp seeds for a twist. Recipe number 4, cheesy stuffed bell peppers. Colorful, filling, and loaded with gooey, cheesy goodness. Ingredients: 2 large bell peppers, halved and deseeded. 1 cup chopped mushrooms. 1/2 cup spinach, chopped. 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella. 1/4 cup cream cheese. 1 TBSP olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Saute mushrooms and spinach in olive oil until soft. Stir in cream cheese and half of the mozzarella. Spoon the mixture into the bell pepper halves. Top with remaining mozzarella and bake for 20 minutes. Use different colored peppers to brighten up your plate. Recipe number 5, mushroom cream soup. Comfort in a bowl, rich, savory, and velvety smooth. Ingredients: 2 cups sliced mushrooms. 1 TBSP butter. 1/4 cup heavy cream. 1 cup vegetable broth. 1 garlic clove, minced. 1/4 small onion, chopped. Salt, pepper, and thyme to taste. Instructions: in a pot, Melt butter and saute garlic and onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Add mushrooms and cook until browned, about 6 minutes. Pour in vegetable broth, bring to a simmer for 5 minutes. Add heavy cream, season with salt, pepper, and thyme. Simmer another 3 to 5 minutes. Blend if preferred silky. Top with chives or crispy mushrooms for garnish. That's a wrap, Keto family. Thanks so much for tuning in to Keto Diet Daily. If you love these meat-free recipes, please give this video a big and hit subscribe for more keto goodness every week. Got a favorite from today's lineup? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow keto warriors. Stay full, stay fabulous, and stay keto.